Okay, now what do we do first?
We need to unscrew these right here and just slide the panel off.
I'm going to do this. So good. We should probably get something to put these in. Get that CD case there. We'll set them like this is what we call... Oh yeah. This is what we call making do with what we have. Okay.
You don't need these CDs.
I'm going to fix the camera. Why don't you do that? Okay, there we go. So here's the back screws. We don't need these anymore. So
for now, just pour it in.
Oh.
Slide it back and then lift up.
I'm going to break it before it even gets started. Okay. To the side. Now, they give us this.
That is your USB 2.0 to 3.0 adapter.
USB 2.0 to 3.0 adapter. It's going to come in handy. So we don't need this right now. No.
Not right now.
Okay. This.
That's just a piece of paper.
This is just a piece of paper saying congratulations, you have no idea what you're doing. Okay, so what do we do now?
Okay, so now we're going to pull out these cables right here. These go to your front panel ports.
Front panel ports. These are up here.
You take a look at what we've got to work with here.
There you go, people. That's what it looks like. Not too exciting. Can't really see much, just some cords. Okay.